You are there, ma?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
What is reference qualifier?
Um, Reference qualifier. If you want to get, if you want to get reference qualifier, yeah. If you want to get data from some other table, like if you want to get a data of a field of an incident table in your current table, you will use a reference qualifier.
Okay.
No, and you have three type of reference qualifier: simple, dynamic, and advanced. And simple reference qualifier, you'll put conditions
Condition for
and
what? Why we put condition?
like filters. Like if a condition is true, then show the relevant records
Can
and
you
or
tell me
condition.
the reference qualifier definition now?
Yeah, reference qualifier. It only shows the data when the conditions mentioned below and the filters. Yeah, it will show the data based on the conditions we have filters we have applied below
Where it will show the data?
in our current table.
What is dynamic reference qualifier?
In dynamic, we'll give simple scripts.
What is simple
No, it is
script?
advanced. It is advanced. Like dynamic will have an advanced script. It will keep changing with the inputs.
What is the difference between simple script and complex script? Advanced script.
Simple script is like you'll give one condition, like for a field that is active or for a condition that is true, get the data.
What is that script is called as?
That script, that's, I don't know, sir, what's that script called?
Okay, fine.
That's the condition we will be putting in the, um, there's a field for that actually.
Hmm. What
Yeah,
we write in that field?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, yes, Amin Garu, you are there.
Yes, sir.
What is dictionary override? What is dictionary override?
Dictionary override. Dictionary override lets us change the field of the table without changing the parent table. So it's basically changing of a child table without changing a parent table.
Mm-hmm.
So fields that the task inherit by the child tables, we can change that.
Okay, changing of what?
Changing of fields in a table, like priority in a task, or like kind of priority one, two, three.
Can you give an example?
It can be true or false, or like maximum length of characters, or user dependent field, or read only field, which can't be changed by some users. That could be it.
Which cannot be changed by some users. Who are those users?
I'm sorry.
Which cannot be changed by some users. Nah, who are those
Yes,
users?
the end users.
Why they want to change end users? By end users.
Uh, like some things are related to schema that not everyone should not change. We create some restrictions.
Mm-hmm. Who are we here?
We are the developers.
So we develop something and they can't change. For that we use dictionary override. Huh? What is dictionary override? What is dictionary override? Okay.
It lets you change, but I
Let's
think
you
it's only
change.
for
No.
developers.
Let's you change. Let's you change means you means who here? Who here? Change of what?
change of the field. Like it has options that we give. Like in that way only it can be changed,
What
not any
options?
other way. For any particular field, for example, true or false that we give the end user to change. They can change within that limit only. They can't change
Okay,
any other than that.
fine. Thank you, sir. Next, next, ma. You are there, ma.
Yes, sir.
What is dictionary override?
Like there is a field in the parent table and we don't want to extend the same character to the child table. Like for example, if there is a field is mandatory in the parent table and it need not be mandatory in the child table, then we check on dictionary override.
If we don't do, then what happens?
Same behavior will be implemented in the child field in the child table.
Then what happens?
No, nothing. I mean, if we want the same behavior, we can uncheck also.
So if you do the same behavior in parent table, what happens?
Not sure, sir.
Then why we need dictionary override?
It's a feature where we can if we don't. I mean, if we want to change the behavior, we can use this dictionary override.
That's what I'm saying. If you don't use dictionary override, what will happen?
Field will behave in the same way. Field will get the characters just like how it is in the parent table.
Let it come.
Sometimes there might be a requirement such that we want to change. I mean, we don't want the same field. We see, like for example, if we don't want to create, I mean, we want there is a task table and we want to use a field from task. I want to use a field from task table. Where a small change is required in my child table. I don't want the same characteristics as it is in the parent table. Then I can use dictionary override option and I can change the feature as per my requirement
Correct.
in the child table.
That's correct. But now my question is, if you don't do this way, if you don't use dictionary override, what happens? If you directly put it in
I might
parent
not
table.
reach my requirement, like my requirement will not be fulfilled, or else I have to create a new field in a new table. I cannot use a same field. I have to create a new one as per my requirement, which is again a redundancy.
But if I do directly in parent table, what happens?
Not exactly sure, sir.
Not exactly sure. Thank you. Next,
Hello, sir.
what happens if I directly do change in the parent table without using dictionary override?
It will apply to the all child tables, whatever changes you have made.
Thank you. Next, what is okay? What is a role?
Role is just, some type of access you assign to particular user, so that user can only access that part of the service now feature.
Example.
For example, there is ITIL role in which you can, if you assign to that role to someone, that user can only create, update, or read that incident record.
What is the difference between ITL role and ITL admin role?
In ITIL, you have only create, read, or update, and in ITIL admin, you have also delete permission.
Okay. So if I have a user only with ITL underscore admin, what he can do?
Yeah. Only he can't even read the data, so he can't also delete the data.
Thank
He needs to have ITIL as well. Rule.
you. Thank you. Perfect. Next one. G. Next one, sir. You are available.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So what is reverse if false in UI policy?
Uh, in UI policy, reverse false is an option which we used if we want reverse action to be applied. Like when we apply UI policy in our form in the table, we use it for some like some actions. Suppose there is a state which have four options to choose, and we have applied that UI policy for one state, option one. So it is true for that. But if we don't click the reverse option, what will happen that for rest option two, it will not apply, but it will not deny too. So for that, we have to select reverse false.
It will not deny also.
Like once it is selected, like I selected option A, correct?
Hmm.
So the action will be applied. But again, when I will select the option B and C, it will be there too because it will not reverse.
Okay. So what is global option in UI policy page?
In UI policy, global option is for view parts, like how you want to view your table, your application as a mobile view and other.
So if I select global, if I don't select global, what happens? Let's say if I select global,
I
I didn't select global unchecked, what happens?
If global is unselected, I guess we will get the option to select which view we want to apply.
So I will select, I selected global unchecked, then I seen it is views are showing, then what I need to do? What happens if I do?
I'm not sure, sir.
Thank you.
Missing.
Next,
Yes, sir.
what is global in UI policy?
Uh, yeah, I'm not sure, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next, JJ. What is global in UI policy, sir?
EA policy is a client-side rule that dynamically changes, like the behavior from the fields kind of thing,
Mhm.
and it will like how the fields appear, behave for the user. It will indicate the EA policy.
What is the global option in UI policy?
Global option. Global option in UI policy.
Yeah.
Policy global. Not sure.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you. Who can answer this one? Raise the hand. Sanjana Garu, please tell.
So, your policy global, if for example, if you keep global equal to true, it will run everywhere like default view, mobile view, workspace view. So if global is false, the your policy applies only to the selected views.
Thank you. Good. Next. Where Nikhil Garu.
Yes, sir.
So, tell me 5 user-based tables.
User records, user group records,
I want
then
tables.
tables. Application tables.
Table names, please.
Okay. Sys underscore user underscore group, sys underscore user underscore gr member, and sys underscore delegate. I guess it's wrong.
Four tables you told.
Yeah, and one more is that's all I know, sir.
That's all you know. Okay, good. In what is GR member table?
It's a table for recording the groups of the users.
Groups of the user. So what is sys underscore user underscore group table then?
Yeah, it is also for saving groups only actually, but
Both are same, then why two tables are created and maintained? I'll pass to next. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. What is sys underscore user underscore gr member table?
It's for group members.
What is the
So
meaning of it?
it contains the members of a group to the particular group.
What is the
So
okay. What is the difference between group sys underscore user underscore group table? Okay. This is sys underscore user underscore gr member table.
I'm not sure with that one. It contains group members.
Group members means users, correct?
Yes.
So what is the difference between sys underscore user underscore gr member versus sys underscore user table?
Sys underscore user contains users, all users. So sys underscore gr member contains the users which belong to that group.
And the group table?
Group table contains tables of that group, not users.
Right. Next, MZ.
Yes, sir.
In which table, if I delegate someone, it will store an. What is
Which
delegate?
delegate table, right?
Yes.
Sys underscore user underscore delegate table.
Right. Now.
We are.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Please continue.
No, sir. You continue. No problem.
Okay. So now, what is sequence?
Sequence in regard to application you're asking or choice?
Where you seen sequence?
For choices, we have sequence where we arrange which choices will appear first, or in application, which modules will appear first.
Correct. So why we give sequence numbers at 10, 100 and 200 something?
To adjust like which one will appear first. Like if we have choice A and choice B, if we give 100 and 200, so choice A will be appear first, choice B will be appear second.
Perfect. So what is slush bucket?
It's a type of attribute.
Slush bucket.
Yeah, attribute, right?
What is the use of slush bucket?
I'm not sure.
Okay, thank you. Next, NR.
Sir.
What is slush bucket?
So slush bucket where we can change the, it's a kind of slush bucket. There is an option, sir. We can modify the form layout, sir. Fields,
layout.
if you want to change the field. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we see form layout there, slush bucket. Where else we seen?
So slush bucket, many in the every user, in the user table also we can see slush bucket, sir.
Okay, so everywhere we see slush bucket.
Many places we can see slush bucket options.
Can you give me one example for dependent value?
Dependent value, okay. So dependent value, for example, assign to and assignment group. For example, assign to is a dependent on assignment group. So that is the thing, sir.
How you set it?
Configure on the assign to. Then we can go. We will get options dependent field. There you can set, sir.
Right. What you set?
I mean, we need to take the assignment group field. I mean, assignment group backend value, and we need to go to the assign to configure, and we need to go to the dependent field in the backend. There we need to mention the assignment group backend field.
Thank you. Next, PC.
Yes.
What is calculated value? An example.
Sorry, sir, what is?
Calculated value.
No, sir, part I will pass.
You can, okay. Thank you, sir. Next, SK. What is calculated value?
Sorry, sir. Am I spoken mute? Did you get my answer?
I got your answer. The question is
Okay.
next question. Next
Okay.
question to next person. Thank you. SK, what is calculated value?
Whenever we make
I can't hear you,
by
sir.
using hello, sir. Actually, I'm in traffic, sir. I'm going to
Okay,
office.
okay, please go ahead. Okay. Yes, G. Next one more. What is calculated value? Shailaja garu, what is calculated value?
Sorry, sir, I am not sure that.
You are not sure. Who can answer calculated value here? Snehalata garu, please.
So calculated value will be found in the dictionary. Whenever we go to the configure dictionary, we'll be able to find that calculated value. At this point, it is used for in the form of scripts, which is like client scripts. As there is a certain drawback, like as per our discussion in the class, there is a certain drawback in the calculated value. So the reason mostly we prefer to use client script instead of calculated value. Here the calculated value is nothing but in any column, if I wanted to have a sum or else have an proper combination of integers or something, or else this is what my understanding is, then we will use the calculated value.
Okay, thank you. Next question to yes. Please unmute ma.
Yes, sir.
So, right. Okay. What is display?
Display is used to show the form.
Show the form. To whom? Which form?
Any form.
Okay, very good. Example, please.
If you want to show any form, we can configure that form and click on the display button. We can show that form.
Okay, so if we unselect the display button, then it don't show. Is my understanding correct?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. Next, passing to next. Sanjana garu, what is display? You're there, ma? Sanjana garu,
Yes, sir.
what is display?
A display is a field where special field on a table that uses a readable name instead of records sys underscore ID.
So display is a field name in a table.
It's readable table instead of record. Sys underscore ID.
Passing to next. Sindhu garu,
Yes, sir.
what is display?
Sorry with my voice. Okay. Display is a dictionary attribute which comes into picture when we have a reference column. So using display, we can show how we have to show the value in that column. For example, if we select a user table, if we want name, first name, last name, using display, we can show.
So what is the default display value for number table? Sorry. For task-based tables, what is the default display attribute set?
It is the ID, that is number,
Number. Okay. For user table,
name,
okay. How to create a number field?
number field.
How to create a number field, number column?
Yes, sir. We have to select, give a column and select the auto number. Check the auto number column and we can give the sequence. How many digits it should come and what is the first number.
So Thank you. Next,
Yes, sir.
what is number padding?
Number padding is a concept. Whenever we check the auto number in the controls of the table, then a field will be created, and whenever we reload the form, a new ticket number will be generated, which is nothing but the old number plus one whenever the form is reloaded.
In which table this logic is implemented?
It is in the I don't remember the table name, sir. Sorry for this number padding.
Okay. So if I create a update set
Yeah.
and then started capturing something,
Hmm.
okay, and then retrieved it from test.
Okay.
So in test instance, in which table the retrieved update set will store?
Sys underscore update underscore set underscore local.
Local.
Oh, sorry. If I'm wrong, I
What is you
uh,
understood the question, correct?
like yeah. Whenever we get the update set from the developer instance, sorry, from test instance,
Retrieved
you
completed update sets. That's you do, right? Retrieved update
yeah
sets. Where it will
yeah
store?
completed one. Yeah. If you got it from the previous instance, it will store in the remote, which is nothing but sys underscore remote update set, remote underscore update underscore set.
Hmm. So once you commit it, then what happens?
It will go to the customer updates page, like update source, update set source table.
No, my question. You understood the question, ma?
Could you please repeat it, sir?
So I retrieved it. First question is I retrieved it.
Yeah, got
So
it.
where it will store? First question.
Okay.
Second question is you retrieved it, then you loaded, previewed, committed.
Mm-hmm.
So once committed, what happens? Where it will store?
Okay. Okay. So first of all, first when we retrieve it, then it will go to the update source table, and from there, once we commit it, it will go to the remote table,
So what is remote table?
which contains the retrieved update sets, list of retrieved update sets from the before environment, like in the other instance where we got the retrieved update sets from.
Once committed.
Yeah, we'll have the list of committed update sets, like completed ones
So
in all together.
committed is the last one, right?
Yes, 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 sir.
So okay, so you committed one update set.
Yeah.
I went to local update set page,
Hmm.
sys underscore local underscore update underscore set table. Will I get
Yeah.
that update set name there?
Mm, local update sets, I hope we will not be able to find all the.
No, my question is I have one update set.
Okay.
Okay, you loaded first, then you committed second. You loaded, committed. Now my question is, I after committed and test, I went to sys underscore update underscore set table, which
Okay.
is your local update set. You pronounce as local update set, correct?
Yeah.
So will I see that update set which is committed just before or not is a question. You got my question,
The
no?
local update set of the another.
You got
Uh,
my
re-
question, ma? No.
yeah, the local update set of the other environment. We are just asking if at all I commit it, will I be able to find it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Um, No, sir. Local update sets only have the current update set, current like in progress completed of that particular instance, and we'll only able to find them in. And if whenever we get it from the other instance, we'll be able to find it only in the retrieved update sets list.
Okay, fine. So, thank you. So, next, SK. Think I can't hear you, sir. No, I can't hear you. Can you say hi or something? Ha ha. You are outside, huh? Ha ha. It's okay, sir. Fine. Next, VG.
Yes, sir.
So, if I committed an update set in test, will it go to sys underscore update underscore set table? Vaishnavi Garu.
Yeah, I'm there, sir. I'm actually not sure.
Not sure. Okay, very good. So who want to answer it? Yes, sir. Please answer.
Yes. Yes. When you commit an update set test, it will be stored in the sys underscore update underscore set.
It will store, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good. Now, Vaishnavi Garu, one more question for you.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is encoded query?
And
Coded query.
uh, where we can build the conditions like multiple conditions like logical operations and or
Why we use it? How to generate it and why
just to
we
put
use it?
particular conditions. Just to put conditions while creating some to create some queries to put conditions there, but to display particular records of the suppose for example for users if you want to display a particular user only then we can use the conditions there to apply.
Where we use this one? How to generate an encoded query? Where we use encoded query? You know the answer, ma?
Not sure, sir.
Okay, good. First, again, yes, Ajay Garu, you are available now?
Sir, I can answer that.
Answer it, please.
Yeah, in the breadcrumb where you filter and get the records, you right click and copy the query. You'll get to what filter you have applied and you can see the query. Yeah,
So
that's
where
all.
we use it?
To retrieve the records in the pages.
That is filter, but where? That is just filter, correct? You apply a
Okay.
filter and then you get them. Now where you use that encoded query? Why I need to get the encoded query? I already have the filter applied and then I am seeing the results, right? That is filter related. Encoded query, why I need it?
Yeah. To show the records in the page.
To show the records in the page, you will apply a filter.
Hmm.
The question is
I'm
not what
trying to
filter.
recollect. Yeah, I remember this. I'm trying to recollect. We've copied this and we have applied recently in the last before class you've told about this.
Okay, I'll pass to next. Yes.
Okay.
Amin Garu, you are there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What?
There was some issue with the network, so it got disconnected.
No problem. Encoded query, where you use it? You are muted. Please check it, sir. Amin Garu, please check. You are muted.
Just a second, sir. Sorry about that. So it's actually basically a compressed string that represents a filter. It's a condition, filter condition in ServiceNow. So
That is encoded query.
uh,
Okay.
yeah,
Where we use it?
um, in the reference qualifier scripts
The reference qualifier script. Which type of reference
to
qualifier?
create rules. I'm sorry.
Which type of reference qualifier? Encoded
Mm,
query, in which type of reference qualifier we use?
In advanced, like in dynamic reference qualifiers, we use it.
Dynamic or advanced or both?
Yeah. Dynamic. Dynamic only.
Dynamic only. Very good. So thank you, sir. Next, Tanushree garu.
Yeah, we will use a encoded query in advanced reference qualifier.
Advanced reference qualifier. Good.
Yeah.
Next question to you only. So now, what are the default columns?
Default columns. Like when we means from table. Right?
Columns will be available in where? Where you see columns?
In table.
In tables. Good. So what are the default columns? You know the answer, ma? Shall I pass it to next?
No, no, sir. I will.
Okay, I'll pass to the next. GK. What are the
Yes,
default
sir.
columns?
When we want to give default value to any column, we go to the dictionary of that column, and there we can see the default column and put the value we want there.
My question is, in a table, what are the default columns? My question is not default value.
Okay. Default columns, like when we create new table, the columns we get.
Correct.
There are 6 columns. Created by, updated by, and sysID, I guess.
5.
I'm not sure about the 6th.
Not sure about the 6th. Okay, next, HD.
Yes, sir.
What are the default columns for any table should have?
Assigned to, updated by SID and
Assign to.
yeah.
So okay, so can I go to, if I go to user table, can I see assigned to fields?
No.
Then how we can say it is a default column? My question is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. JJ's next one.
Yes, sir.
What are the default columns, sir?
sys_id, it's unique 32 GIAD is there, right?
That is one. Remaining 5.
Remaining.
sysID is
System
one of the.
sys updated by updated count.
Sys updated by sys underscore updated underscore by
Yeah.
updated underscore
Yeah.
count.
Yeah. Sorry. Sys_. Yeah.
So 2 more. So 3. Totally 3 came.
Sys_ created by.
Created by and created.
Yeah. Created. Yeah. Created on.
So
Yeah.
totally 5 came. Created by, updated by.
Yes, sir.
And sysID updated on. You said on updated by. What are the final 6? Repeat it, sir, please. Created.
sys_id, sys_created on, sys_created by, sys_updated on, sys_updated by, and sys_
update underscore count. You said
count.
count
Yeah.
last time,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Good. So they are the 6 default columns. Very good. Thank you, sir. Next. What is
Yes, sir. SysID is a 32 character global unique identifier, which we can get this SID from URL. Yes.
Why system uses sysID value?
System uses for unique identifier because we can identify the any column through this ID.
Any column. So if I create an incident, in the system, will that incident have a SysID?
Yes, it will have.
If I create a table, will that table have a SysID?
Yes, it will have.
And how about a column? If I create a column in the system, will it have a SysID?
Yes, it will have.
Thank you, sir. Good. Next, MR.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me 5 attributes of a dictionary?
5 attributes of a dictionary.
Yes. Any 5.
Are those like
Hmm.
dictionary? So
Dictionary attributes. Any
like,
five dictionary attributes.
is it like users, tables? Is it like that, or
They are tables. Users, groups, they are tables. Dictionary attributes.
like?
Like
I'm not sure.
like
Where those are pointing.
default value.
Oh, okay. Display value, default value, read only, and mandatory.
For
Read
okay.
only, mandatory, read only, display.
Display also. It got it already. Info display already pronounced. One is missing. One is pending.
Mandatory, read only.
Mandatory, read only, default value, display value. 4 you told.
Yeah. That is different. I'll pass. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next, MJ.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, sir. What are the
Mandatory read only, reference qualifier, column name, column label, display.
what else?
Then down we have choices, dictionary,
Good.
labels.
Okay, thank you. What is tree picker?
Sorry,
Tree picker.
tree picker. It's a type of attribute, right? When we in the attribute we go and we need to set it true or false.
What it will do? What is the significance of it?
So when we open and what is a reference qualifier, we get type of how it is displayed. That type of attribute.
Okay. Good. Thank you, sir. Next, NR.
Sir.
What is update sources?
Sir, update sources where we can import the update sets from another instance.
Right. Okay. How to create an update source?
Sir, update source. So we need to go to the update sources, sir, and there is option called new. Then we need to give the another URL from the which we wanted to import from the another the dev instance. For example, test. There is a test. There is a dev. In the test, we want to created update sources. We need to give the dev URL and admin user. I mean, user ID and also user password.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next, PC.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me about UI policy?
I'll pass.
Thank you, sir. Next, SK is in traffic, right? SS Sandhya Garu. We can't hear you, sir. Your voice is too low.
UI policy is used to make field mandatory read-only and visible
Mm-hmm. What else we can do using UI
based on the
policy?
condition.
Based on the condition. What else we can do?
We can on the based on the condition, you can see something.
We can't hear you, Sai Garu. Your voice is so low. Okay, Sandhya Garu. What is UI policy?
UI. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
UI policy is used to if the mandatory, visible, and the field is mandatory read only.
Okay, so to mandatory read only, we use UI policy. Is that correct?
Yeah, change the field behavior of the form.
Change the field behavior of the form. Which field? Which kind of behavior? What is the example? No?
Like field is the mandatory field. We can use the mandatory. If the field is visible, we can use the visible.
What else we can do using UI policy? So mandatory read only you told. What else we can see? What else we can do? You told visible and mandatory. Is there anything else I can do using UI policy?
Yeah, set the condition.
We do set condition. Very good. What else? Okay, fine, ma. Next, SJ. Sanjana Garu, you are there, ma?
Yes, sir.
What is backout in update set?
Sir, I'm not sure, sir.
Okay, next. Sindhu Garu.
Yes, sir. Backout is used to revert the changes, and updates it.
Revert the update set. What is the revert update set? Why we need to revert the update set?
Reverting is like whenever we are doing some changes and capturing in the update set. If we don't want those changes, then we can back out all those changes.
So what system will do if you do backout?
It will completely delete the changes.
Whatever it captured, correct?
Whatever that's captured in the update set.
So if I have an update set, I reverted it back, and the update set have a dictionary entry. So if I back out this update set, will it delete the dictionary entry?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. We cannot get the changes again.
We cannot get the changes again. That's for sure. My question is, if the update set have a dictionary, if you do backout, will it delete the entire dictionary record from the table or from the
No, sir.
instance?
No, sir.
What it will do in that case?
It will remove the layer. It will remove the versions.
Thank you. Next, Snehalata Garu.
Yes, sir.
Update set is correct. Good. What is batch update set?
In order to, for example, we have a current update set, and I wanted to add the updates of this update set to another update set. We use the batch update set, which is nothing but I'll go to the update set which I wanted to create a batch for, and there is a column called as parent, and I'll add the update set which I wanted to add this current update set update set updates, and I'll provide the parent as the one which I wanted to add this current, and I'll click on submit. In this case, it will share all the update sources, updates provided in this. For example, I have an A as a parent. I have given A as a parent, and B is the one in which I'm going to add the parent. All the B related updates are captured in the A.
So you created A. Okay.
Yeah.
That is parent. B, C, B. Okay,
Hmm.
separate update set. Now you made A as parent to B, C, D.
Yeah.
Now, as per your answer, all the updates from B, C, D will move automatically to A.
Yes.
What happened to B, C, D then?
They will remain, sir. But however, like it will get into the sorry, I was a bit confused at this point, but yeah, I got your question. What happens to the rest of the child update sets when we do it to the parent one? So yeah, the parent will have all the updates, and these will get moved into them, and these will remain as is, like may get into the ignored state.
They will become ignore state.
And that's what.
Okay. So what is merged update set?
Whenever we want to combine any two update sets together into one, we use the merged update set option.
So what is the combined, or what is the same thing you told for this one also, right? Batch update set.
No, sir. In batch update set, A contains its own value, which is an add-on to the, like B will hold, A will hold its own values, but it will not share its values to the B, which is nothing but it will not share the updates to the B. It will take the updates from the B. Here in the merge update set, it will share together, like all A and B updates will be into one update set.
Okay, so I'll take two things, two scenarios. First scenario is you told I have A, B, C, D. Okay,
Yeah.
and then you
Yeah.
made B, C, D parent as A.
Hmm.
Then you said all the B, C, D updates will automatically go to A, first step, and then second step is B, C, D will become ignore. This point is clean, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now next batch update set. If you do the same thing with the batch update set, what happens? You have A, you have B, C, D. Now what you do with batch?
Um,
You got my question clear right now?
no, 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 sir. Sorry. Could you please
No, you
pardon?
said first answer, you already told one answer. That is for
Yes, yes, sir. That is for the batch
batch
updates.
update set. Now,
Yeah.
now my question is, you have A, you have B, you have C, and you have D. Now
Mm-hmm.
you are merging it. What
Yeah.
happens now? Is my question.
It will not capture it will capture only the latest, like current version of that B, C, D, and it will leave the rest of the versions. So the reason it is kind of a bad practice, and it as it leaves it, for example, I made few dictionary level entries, or else I made few changes. At last, whatever the change I made, it will capture it. For example, I created a new column and I made changes to it. If, for example, let us take in B, C, and D, I have 333 versions from bottom to up. The bottom one has the new column created. The second one has the update which I have provided. For example, I made something mandatory, and the next one I made something default. What happens? It will go and fetch only the last default one. And as it is not provided, like the column itself is not provided, when I merge it and when I retrieve this to the next environment, it will throw an error, like collisions will appear stating that this is not available in the current version. Kind of error we will be able to see. So yeah, this is what my answer is.
Thank you. Next, Suresh Garu. I think you are outside, right? Vaishnavi Garu.
Yes, sir.
How many update sets you created so far in your career?
Just for practice purpose, two. One is the like leave employee leave update table, and one is for change process.
Okay. So next question to you.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me 5 best practices of update set? Ma?
Like
Best practices of update set. 5. Any 5.
mm, okay,
You know the answer, ma?
in a particular case, like I'm not understanding the question. Like
Tell me 5 best practices of update set. Question.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Suresh Garu, can you answer, sir? Please, you are unmuted. Can you able to answer now? Any five best practices of update set? I think we can't hear you, sir. If you are speaking, we can't hear you. No, sir. We can't hear you, Suresh Garu. No, ma. We can't hear you. Who want to say this answer? 5 best practices. Naveen. Yes, sir. NR. First. You can start, sir. Naveen Garu.
Sir, can you, okay, hear me?
Please.
Sir, always moving from definitions to test instance to product. That is the best practice. You should not move from dev to directly to the production. That is the one thing. So we should always use this method: dev, test, and VAT, and also after that production. That is one method. Later that downloading from XML. So transferring the updates set through XML. That is not good method. We should always use update source method. And also even it is applies for the same for the and also never we should not touch the uh, default update set, sir.
Three practices. 2 more, please.
And also for example complete update set, no, never change complete or ignore from complete to the in progress, sir. We should always create a new one.
Fourth one, good.
And fifth one is don't we should not merge the update set, sir. That is not a good practice. We should always use the batch update set.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir. So yeah, I think we are done with the time. Okay, let's review the. Did I miss anyone to ask the questions? No, right? Everyone are covered. Suresh Garu, you are speaking. Still, we can't hear you, sir. If you are speaking. No. Did I miss anyone to ask the questions? Did anyone missed in the flow to? No. Okay. Tell me now. Observations. What are all you observed? You faced the interview. Okay. What is your observations?
Sir, regarding merge updates and batch updates set, no, you asked one question. Okay.
Questions to Snehalata Garu, no?
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay. I thought you were asking entirely.
No, that is question to Snehalata Garu. No. Someone. Vaishnavi Garu.
Yes, sir, for me only you asked.
So now, what are your observations on overall? Please tell me.
Most of the questions are theoretical questions, not like experience-based questions. Kind of like only what are the course we covered so far. You asked those questions only.
Correct. Next.
Sir, what I observed is, we know the answers, but we are getting confused, sir. See, we know the reference qualifier, but when you ask the reference qualifier, we don't know how to tell that answer. So late, that is the thing. So confusing.
Confusing.
We know the how it works, sir, but we don't know the definition of it because we should. I think we need to practice that one.
Next. What else, ma? What else you observed? Everyone, please shoot your points, please.
We know the answer, but we don't know what the question is. For example, we know display default, but the answer is for dictionary attributes. This we don't know.
Confused.
Yeah.
Confused.
Which answer is for which question? Yeah, understanding the question.
So your answer is right, but my question will be wrong, correct?
No, sir. Not like that.
No.
We know the answer, but for this question, this is the answer. We don't linkage between the question and answer.
Okay, good. Understanding the question is missing.
Yeah.
Right. Next.
Most of us don't hesitate to pardon the question from the interviewer.
So hesitate to
We
repeat
don't.
it.
Yes.
Sir,
And
please.
if we don't know, we have to be confident that if we don't know, we can skip it. And instead of dragging it and losing the impression with the interviewer, we can skip it and we can go to the next question.
Good. So hesitate to repeat the question, asking the question. Please repeat it. Okay, good. Good point, actually. Next one, please.
We actually need to prepare for the interview. One night batting doesn't work.
We need to prepare. Sir, could you please repeat it, sir?
We actually need to prepare for the interview better. We can't do like one night batting and consider to like
one night batting. Okay, so prepare daily. Okay, preparation is not proper. I will put it like this. Okay, 1 day preparation will not sufficient. This is what the point. Would like to repeat it. Thank you, sir. Good point. Next, everyone, anyone, please. What else? Anything missing? You only. This is all your observations. You please give it. Anything else?
Need to be confident.
Confident. Very good. Next. Next.
Need to practice what is being taught in the class
Practice.
repeatedly so that
Repetitively practice. Next.
Need to get a good hands-on on the scenario-based questions.
Scenarios. Next.
Last week, check the mic, check the voice, and
Voice, mic. Okay, be ready.
before interview.
Ready for interview. Getting ready. Next. Thank you, sir. Next, ma, please. That's it. Anything else? Still? Anyone have communication issue here?
One more I have. If question is asked, it's okay to take a breather, 10 seconds, 15 seconds before jumping.
So good. Articulation. It's all about articulation. Okay. Good. Anything else? Anything observed? That's it, ma? Any other points from your observation on overall?
We've practiced so much, but we realized like how much we know actually and how much we could put in words to answer a question. So we could gauge our strictness, I mean, our level of understanding and implementing all that.
Precisely what is missing, ma? So you practiced it.
Missing is I over practiced and I got confused between few topics. I could say that.
If we over practiced, what is lesser practice? What is normal practice?
No, I should have stopped like, um, I kept on practicing till the class started. Then I got confused in few questions.
I
Oh,
understand.
It comes under confused only.
Confused only, but
yeah,
I
yeah, it's
understand. But
confused.
how to put it in my notes is I'm getting confused. So,
Oh, okay.
can I say like because of over practice, you are able to correlate the question and answer, something like that, or
No.
Over practice of simple things like the same thing again and
Yeah,
again.
yeah,
I think
exactly
that's what
that.
she means.
Yeah, yeah.
so
More than
strong
that, like
basics, fundamentals
strong
are
bits.
missing. Correct? But
No, sir, I can't say that.
Sir, actually, what she's saying is basically that she's practiced the same thing which she already knows, like again and again. That's why it feels
then
like over
it should give
practicing.
more strongness. No, if you do practice over and over again and again.
No, I shouldn't have practiced till the last moment.
Okay, so you didn't till class starts also you practiced it and you didn't get
Yeah,
time to set your mind calm.
yeah.
Interview
So I should have
preparation.
relaxed and maybe I would have answered better.
Interview
It was okay
preparation.
for me. Yeah.
Good. Interview preparation. That is separate. Okay. People will suggest right to the students. Okay. Before you go, please relax yourself, breathe. Okay. Don't do all this stuff. You'll get more confusion. Something. Okay. Good. Next. That's it? All good? Anything else, please?
I think we actually need to develop some thinking related to the service now. Most of the questions won't be just like the basic ones. It could be like level 2 also, like how you asked, what if this not, then what would be the thing? So I think we need to think critically related to the questions, like if not this, then what will be the other one?
Very good. Okay. That's it. Shall I wrap it up from you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, good. So tell me one overview. Tell me one point. Did I ask any question which I didn't cover? First question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone. Even advanced, basic, okay, confused.
No, sir.
Everyone? So I didn't ask any question out of our syllabus. First point. Second point, right? Did you get ample time to take your time and express your answers?
Yes, sir.
Did I force anyone to maybe stop you when you were speaking, or did I do like this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. So, do you feel in live interview you will be getting this much of ample time?
No, sir. Only 15 to 20 minutes hardly for one candidate they'll take.
That is overall, but for question and question also, did you get this much of time, patient?
No, sir.
Interviewer will
Still,
wait for you this much patient?
No, sir.
No, correct? So, the live interview is not like this. First of all, they don't have time to wait for your answers, first thing. Second thing, if one started an answer, if the answer is wrong, they don't wait for you to complete the entire answer. Is that right? Let's say I asked one question. You are answering it. I know this is wrong answer, but did I interrupt it? I didn't interrupt it, correct?
Yes, sir.
I let you finish the answer. Then I said something else. That too, very carefully see. I said something else to give you a clue. When your answer is wrong, I asked the right answer. Right answer related question. Did anyone observe it?
Yes, sir.
If I ask immediately a question means that is the question which is related to the right answer. That means you said wrong answer. Example is, okay, when someone said sys underscore user underscore group, I said per GR member table, I said what is group? Group table then. Correct? Good, like this. That may be kind of hints I'm trying to give, but few are able to understand and then mold your answers later. With the clues, someone answered it. Few are. With the clues also, someone failed. Okay, that is confusion. That time, your mind will be like that only. You don't be correlate which is right, which is clue. You are in a flow where you feel like, okay, is that right, is that wrong? Something that your mindset is different at that time. Okay. So first thing is, okay, so see overall, no? If you see overall, there are so many factors, case by case, question by question, answer by answer. But one thing is preparation. Entire thing is preparation only. Preparation, okay, I said something for commitment. Commitment means what? What are the factors are involved in that commitment? I said a big list, correct? Did I cover that video? I asked you to go through the video, commitment video, right? In that commitment video, to make yourself committed to ServiceNow, what are the things you need to do for ServiceNow? You need to attend, okay? Practice, listen, speak, think, dream, eat, drink, okay? This is what actually the commitment is. Correct? Agree? Think, dream. Is that correct, ma? Still more. If you put this much, then, okay, someone will propose, someone will accept your proposal. Let's say you are a teenager, okay, and you are loving a girl. How much commitment you will show towards the girl? You will try to impress it. Correct? So you are going to college, so you will try to impress, so nice dress also, groom. Then speak, politely speak. How to you to practice one word with her, you will practice 1 hour here. Okay, in dreams, obviously dreams only full songs. While eating, while drinking, okay, while listening. So these many you do for a girl, right? Similarly, here also commitment means you need to take this as everything. Correct? Then you will adapt it. It's like a learning new thing. New thing means new language. Let's say how you learn a new language. Let's say I'm learning Korean. So I need to listen, think, okay, dream, speak, practice, everything. Here we are only practicing it. I repeat it. I told this one in 2 days back also. Where many people are practicing it, but you are not practicing of other things. You are only practicing one thing here. You are attending it also. Two things you are listening anyway, you are doing it. You are not practicing of speaking, articulating. Okay, all these things are missing. A few students, okay, I don't name them, but with the clues, you are able to answer it. With the clues. I asked a question. Then, with the clues, you are able to give the best answers. Few students directly given the best answers. Okay. Few unable to find the question itself. You are getting the question confused. You didn't answer. You didn't even start the answer without confusion. Okay. Few students, okay, partially answered. If 5 points to be answered, maybe 3 answered, 2 not able to recollect in the mind, so left it off. That time it's not coming to the mind. Right? So all categories are there. Few not even unmuted, that is best. Few not even attended, that is too best. Okay, that is more than best, no? Attending it and all these nonsense. Who? Okay, that is too much best, right? So these are all the observations. Let's ask one more question. If I give you a job, let's say based on this interview, I give you the job. How many people will get the job? Tell me. Raise the hands. Based on this, whatever the output is, I give you jobs. How many people are you say like I got the job? I am eligible to get the job based on my performance. How many? I can say 4 people here. Okay? 4 people are good. In those 4 people also, I can say good. One is confusing. One is giving the answer, but little more effectiveness should be there. Command of speaking. Okay? As I said, interviewer will not wait for you. They don't be having this much of patience. Right? So this is what the observation, total observation. You are doing it, you are preparing it, but if you are not able to articulate it in interview, the preparation, you can't justify it. Correct? For me, failed is failed, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you come and say, sir, I didn't prepare, okay, I prepared, but I'm not getting in mind, right? These reasons and all, it will. I told first today only. Correct? If a failed person speaks with the reasons, who cares? Correct, Amma? Do we have any value for a failed person reasons? Can someone give a value to a failed person reasons? Tell me. Is that correct, ma? Right, everyone. If you succeed, people will listen to you. If you fail, who will listen to you, ma? Am I right? Just think. Am I right? The world is like this, right? If you succeed, people will listen you 100 times, okay? 1 hour also. If whatever you tell, they will listen because you succeeded. If you fail, who will listen? SKFacts will listen. That's it. Because it's my responsibility to listen you. You are like kids. For me, you are all like kids, 2-3 years of kids. You are just started speaking. Amma, Nana, Papa, something like this. I have to listen. Correct? But if you go out and then speak like this, will they also listen the same way? No. Why? Why they will listen? They have other parameters, other things to do, right? Correct? So we can't say, you told all these things, that's fine, but can I go and tell all these things because of this I failed? First of all, who will give you opportunity to speak this much also? You fail means go away, that's it. Correct? Is that correct, no? Am I right? Or am I speaking anything not
Right.
relevant? It's right, no? So,
Yes, sir.
good. So prepare well. You know what to prepare, you know how to prepare, you know everything, but the preparation is still not up to mark. First thing. Second thing is like we see only one way. I know. But how? When you get to know means once you attend this interview. Correct? Anyone have a kind of feeling like, sir, I'm getting tensed. Okay, first thing. Or sir, I know this one, but I am not able to speak in front of you or in front of everyone. That kind of shyness is there. That is missing to right here. But in last batch, one of the student told, sir, I know the answer, but I am hesitant to speak in front of you, sir. Such kind of feeling is there from anyone? Anyone have that kind of feeling here? Reason? That is also can be a reason. Did anyone have it? No, right? Shyness, not shyness by the way. I don't feel shyness is there because we are adults, big people. But that kind of feeling, that kind of, how to say, I don't know. Sir, I know the answer, but
Mohammatam.
Mohammatam, or I don't know, hesitation. Hesitation is the Mohammatam in Telugu. Anyone have that kind of feeling, sir? Because I know the answer, but I am in front of you, in front of everyone, I can't speak you, sir. Anyone have that feeling? No, right? I think we are all good. Fear of speaking. Ajay Garu, why fear of speaking? That you have to speak, no? To remove the fear. How fear of speaking will go away? If you start speaking, it will go. First thing, okay, fear of speaking. Sir, I have fear of speaking. This is what I am trying to say, fear of speaking. Okay, it's fear of hesitation. Okay, shyness. Okay. So, will you shy to speak in front of your mother, father? Everyone?
No,
No,
never.
never. In front of me, how you feel that? I treat you all like that only, right? When you join to my classes. You're my kids, kind of. So with me also, if you're feeling like that, then how you speak outside, no? If you go out and speak. They're all outsiders, interviewers are outsiders. I am like your mother or father, or like a guru, or brother, or a buddy, or a best friend. Did I ever behave like the outsider? Ade garu, did I ever behave like an outsider? Did anyone say? Did I behave like an outsider? You still feeling like I am an outsider to you?
No, sir.
Then to in front of me to speak, what is your problem? That's what I am directly opening every day, no? So if fear of speaking is there, why can't we daily open the mic and then speak the previous class to avoid that? 22 classes are over, 22 days you have opportunity to speak. Who stopped you? Did anyone stop you when you are speaking in the class, when you are revising in the class? Whenever someone are revising in the class, did I stop it at any time? Anyone? Did I stop? If someone are speaking previous class revision at any point of time during the last sessions? Did I do, ma? Even though it's right or wrong, did I ever stop a student to speak in class? Did I do by chance any day?
No, sir.
Then it's up to you to speak, right? To remove the fear. Am I right? If that is the case, communication problem is there, fear is there, that itself needs to be fixed by you by speaking it. That's it. Where you will speak? You have a platform. You speak daily, morning you speak. 10 minutes you speak. Revise the previous session. Who will stop you? Everyone will listen you. That is not the case. That is again excuse, failed excuses. Failed person always come with excuses. And the excuses don't be having any value. This is what the life is. Okay. Seriously, it is life. Yesterday I read somewhere. Okay, if you are poor, okay, the question is, who are you? Okay, if you are rich, how are you? The society will say like this. It looks very simple, but it have a lot of deep meaning. It's true actually. Am I right? Is that true? Who cares about a poor person? Similarly, failed person here. You can apply it. If you tell 100 reasons, who cares first of all? That's how it is. And even yourself you need to question now. Correct? Finally, even though I asked a question to each person here, the question asked to every student. Am I right? Even you are muted, this question asked to you also, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
And how many people know all the answers here? Sir, I can say, I can answer every answer that you asked to every question. Maybe I asked 20 questions, let's say like this. Okay? How many people know all the 20 answers? Anyone know? One. Good. One. Vaishnavi Garu was there. She dropped out. Okay. I think she also was good. Half, partially. Others? How many people know the answers? Call 20. 2. 2 people. Right? So this is where the position right now. And by the way, in a live interview, okay, from this phase 1 syllabus, do you know how many questions will come? From phase 1, how many questions can come? Probability out of, let's say you have a interview. Okay, interviewer asked 20 questions. Out of 20 questions, from phase 1, how many questions can come? The probability. Anyone know?
3 or 4, sir. Why? Because we have more mainly updates it, UI policies, and few other topics. If at all they want to test our basic.
If at all, condition number 1, if at all they want to test your basics, they have time, they have a lot of patience. If at all, again repeating, okay, they ask, they touch all these things, basics. They directly jump into scripting and advanced topics. Okay. So you may say like 1 or 2 questions will come out of 20 in live interviews. But this is fundamental. Even in fundamentals, we are like this means this is where it looks the stand. Understanding my everyone? Everyone understood?
Understood.
Yes. So please, please prepare well. Okay. Good. Anything else, please? Strong with the basics is needed, ma. Okay. Again, I'm repeating it. You are getting confused. Your mind is not matching to your answers. That is first thing. Okay. It is not prompting it immediately to the right point. Second thing, confusion. Third thing, understand the question itself is the fourth thing. Okay, in interviews, the primary fundamental thing is understanding the question is must important. If you don't understand the question, ask to repeat it. But what we do is we jumped with an answer, then ask to repeat it. It's wrong. You're all understanding my point here, everyone? So I asked you a question. Okay, you answered it. Something you answered, that is wrong. Then you asked me to repeat the same question. Instead, if you are not clear with the question, first only ask to repeat the answer. Could you please kindly repeat the answer? Question. You do it. Get the question confirmed and then start with your answer. That is the only way you can save yourself, or else it gives you completely negative impression. Okay. So I'll tell you in a different way. I'll tell you, see here. I asked you some question. Okay, what is XYZ? Okay, so you answered something. Okay, you answered, okay, you answered about ABC. Okay, you answered about ABC. For XYZ question, you answered about ABC. How the interviewer will think now, tell me. What is the thinking of this interviewer now, if he faced the situation from you? Just think and tell me. You asked me a question. I answered this one. You asked me the question for XYZ. I answered ABC. Now what is your feeling on me? Tell me. Everyone. So you may say like you don't know XYZ, correct? This is what you feel, right, everyone?
So
Yes.
So it will give you don't know XYZ, even you don't know ABC also. This is the exact meaning. Am I right? Everyone,
yes,
am I
sir.
right?
True.
So when I ask sys underscore user underscore group, someone says group table, that means that gives that kind of, that's why I asked that question. So it is giving two indications here. One indication is you don't know the primary question answer and you are pronouncing some other answer, means even you don't know this also. If you know this one, then why you pronounce this for a different question? So we will give the chances. We only spoil the interviews with our pronunciation and answers. Understanding my everyone? So we should be very active. Okay, too much active. You need to prepare in a way like you have to give the right answers in a right way. Okay, articulation. So many people are speaking, but that speaking is not effective. You are not using the right words also. Communication issue is there. Right? Good. So if I go one by one, it is something bigger list. Okay, Alia Garu first answer, reference qualifier, right answer, encoded query, wrong answer. Then AS, okay, a dictionary override, wrong answer. Then EC I asked, what is EC? Something EC I asked, EC, okay, that is right answer. Then DP Garu, right, DP, role related, okay, ITL underscore admin. So next question, wrong answer. Gaurav Garu, yes, all answers right, but with the clues. Okay, and like if I go like this, now it will go. But overall, if you see, this is what it is. You may good in this one, but not good in this one. You may good in this one, but not in this one. So it is for everyone. I'm not keeping one by one. Okay. So strong with the basics, fundamentals is missing here. Correct? If you're strong, your answers are proper. If you're not strong, means you will come with all these reasons. Good. So that's it for phase one. Anything to discuss? Any points from your side, please?
Sir, can we quickly go through the answers we should question?
What answers? What questions? Anything? You raise the questions, please, which is not.
No, we can repeat that, sir, so that
I didn't remember all the questions. No, that means if someone didn't answer, means someone else answered, because we opened for everyone, no? You got me right. So which
understood.
question
Understood.
exactly?
No, each and every, for example,
So
say
let's
column
reference qualifier
default
I
columns.
asked. Okay,
Yes,
someone
yes.
said right answer. First answer said reference field answer. Someone said. Okay, for reference qualifier, reference field answer. Someone said. Okay, then second one said right answer. But in that right answer, types when we ask wrong answer. Okay, encoded query will be used in dynamic reference qualifier. Someone said. Script will be used. Okay, what is dynamic reference qualifier? Someone said something. Okay, simple script or something. Correct, that is wrong. Again, someone again said dictionary override. First one said wrong. Next one said task. Okay, I think this one nicely explained by. So who explained it very good? Okay, someone explained it nicely. Okay, task table. It is like it. I opened it up. when I opened it up, I think who answered? Ma Deepthi garu, Sanjana garu, Sanjana garu. Right, answered it. Task table, child table. Okay, if we do it in task table, it will apply to all child tables and all. Then roles, ITL, IT underscore admin role. Okay, so Dhanashri garu answered it. UA policy, reverse if false. Right, it was answered. Global, first initially not answered. Right, it is for form showing. Okay, something I asked something. Okay, someone said it to show a form. Okay, that is wrong answered. User tables, sys underscore user underscore gr member table. I asked 5. First one told fold. In that I asked this one. They said group. It is for group. Then I asked what is group table. Then they said that. Then someone said user table. Right? Then someone said user adding to the group. This way. Slash bucket. Someone said nicely. Dictionary attributes. General attributes. Okay, here I think good. Okay, but still not able to catch it. Someone said what is dictionary attribute? There only it got confused. Means the question itself is the question. Then if we say some clue, then answer came. Number padding someone told good, but I think Snehalata garu. Okay, when I asked which table it is, not able to recollect it. Update sets, something good, something bad. So overall, it answers got it, but not direct. Correct? So what exactly I need to repeat? Anything? Which one?
Uh, Example, for example, you asked merge update sets and
That is wrong
batch
answer,
update
no?
sets. Yes, sir. So better way, for example, batch updates for the mode bulkly.
Batch update set will not be moved. Very carefully. See, batch update sets, if you just make it parent and child, in parent nothing will come. It's a dummy, empty one. Okay. So in childs, all childs will be added. But in merged update set, all will be moved completely and then ignored. Okay. So this is the difference between batch and merged. The batch update set, if you just do, nothing will happen. You have a update set with some name X, okay, or A, in our example A, and BCD will just go and add as a child. Okay. But if it is a merged, BCD will be deleted, means ignored, and all the latest versions will be moved. That's how it will behave. So see, I think Snehalata garu answered it, but she answered merged properly, but batch, okay, it's not proper. Right? What else?
Sir, so if at all I give parent as A and rest parent as A to the B, C, and D, will it not capture B, C, and D
Just
in
have a
A?
link, ma. That's it, ma.
Okay,
But
okay.
B,
The
C,
batch.
D changes will not move under A or something.
Okay, okay.
That's
Sir, I was in impression
So
that it
instead of
is just to move
sending,
the,
just
it
for
will help
only
to
moving.
move the
That's it.
update sets. That is my exact answer.
yeah,
I
instead
said.
of moving all five together, we can
Move only
move
the
only
A.
the parent. Yeah, got it.
That's
Got
it.
it, sir. Thank
So when you move A, it will pick B, C, D, and also it will check the versioning control, everything. It properly moves. That is the only advantage. Whatever the drawback of merged update set. Good. That was wrong from your side, man. That's why I asked you again and again and again. But you confidently answered it wrong.
you. Sorry, sir.
No, no, no. I'm just repeating. No need to
Like
repeat.
that was my understanding till date. So
That
I
means
will practice.
why that is your understanding is because we showed merged update set practically, but batch update set we didn't show practically. Correct? Good.
Like you just showed one example, but we didn't mode it, I hope. So I don't
Yes,
remember.
ma'am. Practically we didn't see. Okay, good. Next question, please. That's it, right? Okay, let's end it. Okay, please review it. Okay, we're almost properly prepared, but small things as Arya Garu told. No, sir, I prepared till last minute, but when it interviews, my brain is deviated. Something that is also one drawback. Interview preparation is something where you have to get ready by yourself. It's an interview, right? We can again. Okay, I am listening it. The same. Let's say I know everything. Let's say I am Arya Gar. I know everything. I practiced, over practiced. Okay, prepared well, hard. Okay, but if I can't able to produce it properly, convey in interview, it's still failure, right? That also is one reason. So anything, ma. Okay, we can't say. Okay, there is a character in Mahabharata, na, Karna, and he dies. What are the reasons for Karna death? You can't say one. Okay, there are so many factors. Okay, one is like he forgot his. There is a, right. Leave it. So don't focus. Okay, just prepare well. Okay, again I'm repeating it. This is a phase where you have to be very strong. Phase one should be very, very, very strong. Okay, so that's it. Vaishnavi Garu, I asked a question. How many update sets you created? She said 2, which is wrong. You need to, that means you are not calling yourself like a ServiceNow developer. You are still calling yourself like a ServiceNow student or outsider. That's it. I told how to answer this question. With the answers I told. Correct?
Yes, sir. 120.
120 something I told based on your experience.
Yeah.
Right. So that means we are not setting our mind that I am ServiceNow 3 years developer. Still it's not yet come. If until you don't feel, you don't own it, you don't adapt it, you don't put yourself committed, you don't get these things. You will be like you're doing for someone's sake. This is how it projects. Am I right, everyone? If we do for me, then I feel different way. Correct? Good. Okay, let's end it. Thank you, everyone. Thanks you. Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye.